What is going on in our courts? I heard that a court in Port Harcourt said that the 25 members are still members of PDP. So the court now is the one who chooses for Nigerians the party they want to be. And the court is saying, no, you need to bring evidence to come to court to show. When I look at these things, I feel revulsion within me. You know why? By the Evidence Act, the court and the judge does not even need anybody to come in to give evidence at all. Why? By the Evidence Act. I'm talking about section 122, section 123, section 124, Evidence Act. A fact that is notorious need not to be proved. A fact that is common knowledge need not to be proved. So you're telling me that a child in primary school is now more knowledgeable than the judge in court? That the 25 members did not defect. And they came on air during the House of Assembly and read it as it proceeded in front of the whole world. The law is that the court should take judicial notice of that, even if nobody brings it to the court's notice. The law is that the judge will say, no, you can't come to this court to advertise that. It is common knowledge. That's all. So the issue ought not to be whether they're a member of this party or not. That should not be the issue. The issue is you defected to another party. Do you have the right to retain your seat? Because the fact about their defection is not in doubt. And the law is that the court should take judicial notice of it. The minutes of the State House of Assembly, by law, is an evidence as an official act of a public officer. By law. So the court doesn't even need any evidence. And now we're talking about electronic evidence. If you go to the National Library and bring out a newspaper there and they certify it, that's evidence. And you're saying, no, you can't go to TV to get evidence. Where? Why then did we say electronic evidence? Meanwhile, like I said, the court does not even need any lawyer to come to that court to say, my lord, I want to prove that these people have defected. Because it is common knowledge. It's a notorious fact. And the law says it does not need to be proved. That the court should take judicial notice of it. Are we not making a mockery of ourselves? When you go abroad and see the way they try their cases, they bring text message. It's admissible. They bring issues of common knowledge. They bring what you have said yourself. Maybe you wrote a book. It's admissible. And then these people said something, carried it out, went to Abuja, went to Port Harcourt, went to in public glare. And the court is saying, you need to prove. Prove what? Notorious fact? Issue of common knowledge? No. We've gone to a level that is ridiculous. Meanwhile, two courts of coordinate jurisdiction in that Rivers State, they are giving contradictory orders on the same fact. So even the judiciary is embarrassing itself. So you don't even need external evidence to talk about the fact that we don't have fair, we don't have independent, we don't have impartial judiciary. You don't even need, the Chief Justice himself has screamed. When two courts in Kano State, they were giving contradictory orders, coordinate jurisdiction. Contradictory on the issue of the emirate. Today we have two emirs. If you ask me who is the emir of Kano State, if it comes out in exam, I would lecturer, sorry, I don't know. There are two emirs now. And the courts say two of them are legitimate. And the courts say two of them are illegitimate. That's the answer. Because if you answer this person and the lecturer belongs to the other person, you will fail. If you answer this person and the lecturer belongs to the other, you will fail you. Look at the confusion, the level of confusion. desecrating the traditional tool, desecrating the political tool, desecrating. Look at in the criminal proceeding. They say the courts ought to be sitting every day till they reach judgment. That's what they do abroad. Trump case started. Within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it's done. Hunter Biden, by today or tomorrow, the jury will give judgment. 1 week, 2 weeks. Sitting every day. That is the law. That is what we have adopted in our admission of criminal justice. Is it happening? Why is it not happening? Incompetence and corruption. Look at in the issue of the political leaders. In Ganduje's case, courts of coordinate jurisdiction giving contradictory orders. In the Abure's case, courts of coordinate jurisdiction giving contradictory orders. Ex parte order that has no meaning in law except to protect somebody whose own interests will be irreparably damaged before you hear the other party. That is what they are using now to destroy the human rights of Nigerians, destroy thrones, destroy political offices. And a judge is coming to say, the court is not aware these people defected. You have to prove membership. So if I say I don't want to be a member of the Labour Party again, I'm now an APC member. I don't even need to write it. Once I have said it, I have the fundamental human right to join any association. So the court is now even being used to destroy the fundamental human right of Nigeria. A man say, I don't belong to PDP, I belong to APC. And the court say, no, it's a lie. You belong to PDP. This year, you have lied.